What's up everybody? I'm so excited to show you our newest listing at 165 1st Street North in Niverville, Manitoba. This custom built bungalow is 4 bedrooms. It's got 2 full bathrooms, double attached garage, huge shop located directly across the street from the elementary school and all of Niverville's amenities. This home has the backyard that's going to make all of your friends jealous. So you got to see this one in person. This gorgeous, amazing home with this backyard is not going to last long. You're going to need to see it in person. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like this.